A very good morning to everybody. On behalf of SA Engineering College Management, Principal, Advisor, HOD, and staff of SA Engineering College, I extend a warm welcome to all the students who are participating in this Tech Series 5.12 AI and Electronics, the future of smart technology, organized by Electronics and Communication Engineering and Electronics Engineering, VLSI Design and Technology. SC Engineering College was established in the year 1998 and successfully continuing its educational service beyond 27 years of excellence. The college is approved by AICTE and affiliated to Anna University, and it is accredited by NBA, has an A grade from NAC, and also an ISO certified institution. SA Engineering College is more than just a place to earn a degree. It's a space to grow, to explore your interest, to challenge yourself, and to discover who you truly are. You will find opportunities here not only to excel academically, but also to participate in clubs, events, competitions, and activities that will shape your personality and leadership skills. Our college proudly offers 11 UG programs and 7 PG programs and PhD programs. At our institution, we are deeply committed to the holistic development and career advancement of our students. Apart from curriculum, we encourage innovation and hands-on learning. AICTE Idea Lab was established where students can explore and experiment their ideas. SC Engineering College offers a wide range of value addition courses designed to equip students with industry relevant skills beyond the curriculum. Our dedicated higher studies and career guidance cell provides continuous support to students aiming for higher education or competitive careers. In addition to academics, we believe in the power of physical and social development. Our sports academy nurtures athletic talent and promotes a healthy competitive spirit. Through various institutional social responsibility activities, students engage with communities and become responsible citizens. Our Alumni Connect program bridges the gap between past and present students, offering mentorship, networking, and career support to the next generation. Now, we can see the highlights of SA Engineering College EC Department and VLSI Design and Technology. EC Department was established in the year of 1998 with an initial intake of 60 students, now grown to 180 students, reflecting its reputation and academic excellence. Electronics Engineering, VLSI Design and Technology Department department was established in the year of 2023. The Department of ECE is committed to fostering innovation while maintaining a strong emphasis on academic excellence. Key supporting activities include to make students well prepared to face professional challenges in the dynamic field of electronics and communication engineering. Industrial visits to gain insights into real-time operations, guest lectures given by industry experts and academicians. The project contest provided a platform for students to present their technical creativity, problem-solving abilities, and real-world engineering applications. The Institution Innovation Council promotes industry academic collaboration, mentorship, and national level participations. The department offers value-added courses to equip students with skills beyond the regular curriculum. The Department of ECE and Electronics Engineering, Real Estate Design and Technology has successfully secured increasing government and institutional funding to conduct high-impact events. And also the department encourages students to participate in various technical club activities. To empower students for success beyond academics, our department offers intensive training on competitive exams such as GATE and GRE exams. Students from ECE and Real Estate Design and Technology actively participated in the Anna University Zonal Tournament and showcased their exceptional talent across various sports events. And also, department encourages cultural activities that boost student engagement, creativity, and overall developments. Now, it is the time to extend my warm welcome to our distinguished guest and beloved alumni, N. Pavitra. N. Pavitra is a proud graduate of SA Engineering College and currently serves as a data processing analyst at Nielsen IQ in Chennai. She has not only carried forward the knowledge and values learned here, but has also grown into a confident, skilled professional in a highly competitive industry. Welcome you, Pavitra. Now I hand over the session to Pavitra to share her insight and experience to enthusiastic participants.
Thanks for your warm welcome. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
Yes, thank you. So before getting into the session, so I like to start the session with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam quotes where dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. So just like a dream begins in a human mind, AI brings as a dream of intelligent minds. So today, I'm going to talk about a topic of the future of innovative technology, how the AI has been influencing in the electronics and communication. So before getting into the topic, may I know do you guys have any insights about this topic? Do you have any ideas about this topic? It can be anything. Just tell me what you are understanding from this heading. Just think simply how the AI is influencing the electronics and the communication world. Even in your home, even the thing which you're using every day has AI and electronics in it. Can anyone? You can even use chat to tell me. Hmm. It can be anything. YouTube, Google, okay. Okay. Okay, let me start my session. If you have any doubts, like ask me, and then I'll be asking little questions in between as well. So we will have an interactive session. So I want you all people to speak along with me. If you can't able to speak, at least use the chat box to tell your comments. Okay. Can we start? Yes. Okay. The first. Can you move to first slide, ma'am?
Yes, Pavitra, you can start.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Is the screen is visible?
Visible, ma'am.
Yeah. So first of all, the AI, the age of convergence. So everyone knows like AI is nothing but it's an artificial intelligence, which is a software that thinks and it learns from data and identifies the pattern and make decision, right? So let me give you one small example to make this understandable. You're using your Instagram or YouTube every day, right? So what are the informations which you're seeing every day will be feeded in your mobile phones as well as in your everyday apps, right? The content which you're seeing will be popped up every day, right? So this is all done because of this AI called as artificial intelligence. So that's where comes in the electronics is hardware that acts sensors, processors, and actuators. Like, do you all know about sensors? What is sensor? Processors and actuators. Sensors are nothing but if you clap, what happens? The robot, like the AI, actually hears the signal, right? That is called a sensor. And you think the AI has a brain in it? That is nothing but the processor which thinks. So that is the brain for the AI. So a processor is the brain for the AI, and then that's how this whole process works in. And smart innovation, like wearable devices that detect the health risks. Even the smart watches we wear, it is detecting the heart rate and all the things, right? That is happening because of the AI sensors which is present in the smartwatch. So these are the general applications of this AI. So we'll have a deep understanding of it. So what is this artificial intelligence? It is nothing but machines that mimic the human intelligence, learning, reasoning, and adapting. So it uses machine learning. So what is machine learning? Any idea about that? Machine learning is nothing but the information will be fed in prior with the information. The machine will get the datas. And AI can analyze the data, detect the patterns, and make the decisions. Okay. And nowadays, Tesla is actually introducing self-driving cars. Do you know about that? What is the self-driving cars? Self-driving cars are nothing but the cars which can automate without the human interference. Only with AI, the cars can be worked and it can be automated. That is called a self-driving cars. Even the car can rotate with the signals which has been provided. That is called as the self-driving cars. Okay. And then when going into the how AI powers today devices, like as I've said, the smart watches and the trackers, it monitors the health, predicts the issue, and suggests the workouts. And then the smart clothes and shoes, even the shoes which we are wearing, it can be done with AI. So to know to track the posture, movement, and the fatigue levels. Wireless earbuds, the usage of it is nothing but to adjust the audio automatically using the AI-based noise cancellation. And AI glasses and VR kits is nothing but to enhance the interaction and impressive experiences. And health devices to predict the risk and support yearly diagnostics. Okay. So these are just the applications which we are using in AI. And why AI matters? It enhances the user experience with personalization. That is nothing but every day we are doing activity with a human interface, right? So all these things need to be automated. So to boost the efficiency and the automation in daily tasks, this AI has been brought up and it plays a very smarter way and it's been more connected. That's the main important thing of it. And now we are going to talk about the AI in electronics and communication engineering. First of all, you are just freshers, so you need to know about the different applications which is there in electronics and communication. That is nothing but the signal processing is important, and wireless and mobile communication, because I guess you people will be having this as a subject in your a paper, and then this VLSI design and embedded system, and about the IoT and the smart devices, communication networks. These are the very important topics which you need to know when we are in electronics and communication engineering. Okay, so the first important thing in AI is like signal processing. So signal processing is nothing but the speech recognition and the speech identification. Nowadays we are using mobile phones. Right? So the mobile phones in iPhone, you have a software called as Siri, right? It actually replies to all your commands, right? So there the AI is being used. That's nothing but it is recognizing the speech which you are giving. So there this has been used by a technology called as CNS and RNS. These and all, when you go deep into the session, you will know, but just know like where this AI has been used. So first in signal processing, it's about the speech recognition. Okay. Then image processing. Image processing is nothing but whenever you're adding an image, for example, see this image, it is little noisy, right? So that image is being converted into a cleared signal. So the image, the AI actually does, it reduces the noise and it enhances the image. So that is important. So it converts the blur image into a very clear image. For example, the CCTVs, cameras and all there, right? So every time we will not get a very good clear image. So even in cases which has been handled by the police, people, they will not have a very clear image. So at that time, what they'll use is like they use this technology, image processing, that actually converts the blur image to a clear image and it reduces the noise into it. So we'll get a clear image at as the output. So this is the application of this image processing. So in this, the AI is being used. And then biomedical signal analysis. So biomedical signal analysis is nothing but, in the word you can tell, you can know it is used in medical applications like the ECG and the EEG. So these are all nothing but they are the to detect the heart rates, the ECG is being used, right? So here the AI is being used to predict the diseases in earlier. And then the radar and the sonar targeting. So to talk about this one, recently we had a attack with Pakistan, right? There they have used a missile called as SS-400. So what is the usage of that missile SS-400 is nothing but it is going to fight all the other missiles in attack. It has an advanced version in it. So that is the main application of that SS-400. And it is the fastest one. We have borrowed that missile from Russia. So that's that's point you have to remember with regard to the radar applications. So India is still not that much advanced in radar and all. We need to work for it. So this is about the AI, how it has been used in signal processing. Just connect these words in a real-time application so that you will not be able to forget the things. Okay. So this is about the signal processing. And then we are going to see AI in the wireless and mobile communications. So wireless in the sense, nowadays everything is wireless, right? The Bluetooth we are using, everything is wireless. And how AI is influencing that, we are going to see. Okay. Okay, first one. And dynamic spectrum allocation. Note this word, dynamic spectrum allocation. It's nothing but in a crowded area, spectrum gets busy. Like then it uses a technology called as reinforcement learning, where it dynamically shares the signal bands based on the need. Do you guys get what I'm telling? So what happens in a crowded areas, sometimes you'll not get the internet connection, right? What happens because the network is little busy. So at that time also, what happens, this AI uses the reinforcement learning to dynamically share the signal bands. So that is called as dynamic spectrum allocation. Okay. Then the channel estimation, to talk about this one, it actually predicts the signal quality. That is nothing but before sending data, networks checks channel connection, right? I guess like you will be knowing these things when you go into second and third semester, like you'll be learning about these things. Before sending data, what happens is like a network will check the channel connection, whether it is free or busy, like that. The AI predicts the signal quality and chooses the best way to send. This improves the clarity even if user is moving. So channel estimation is very important. And then beamforming, know this word. So beamforming is nothing but it is AI controlled antenna directions. So antenna direction is nothing but we are talking in a mobile phone, okay? So you and your friend are talking in mobile phones. What actually happens is like the way you convey the voice notes or everything will be transferred to your friend only through antennas. So this beamforming is nothing but it will transfer the signals only where it is needed, only to the specific path, not everywhere, only to the specific direction it sends. So that is called as beamforming. So why it is happening in the sense, if we send signals in all the directions, what happens? There is no use in it, right? It needs to go only to a specific target. So it sends only the signals to where it is needed, okay? So that is like a torchlight. It sends only where it is needed. Okay. And then about self-optimization, 5G and 6G technologies. Self-optimization. In this word, what does it mean is nothing but it will does all the activities by itself, by its own. So AI monitors the entire walk. If there is a problem, it self-corrects itself. There is no any human interference need to be there. It self-corrects all the activities. It learns from the errors and improves the speed, quality, and the response. Like the Google Maps updating the route live, network updates in its own setting, right? So like that, it does all the activities in its own. And now we are in 5G, right? So if there is a research still in 6G, and do you guys know like any updates about the 6G technology? What are the techniques they have been inculcating in it? Okay, 6G is nothing but China has actually launched a satellite for it. So in that they have inculcated a few things. Which is nothing but the fast network. That is a priority, right? So fast network, even you can download the videos in 1 second. And then talking about there was a they have used a technology which is where you can even access the signal without the tower. Using a satellite signal, you can access in a forest, in a seas. So that the technology they have developed, and they've launched the satellite for that as well. India is still in process for the 6G technology, and they can be holographic calls. So holographic calls is nothing but instead of video calls, like we are making video calls with the persons whom we like, right? So not like video calls. These holographic calls have been recorded. So holographic calls are nothing but it's a 3D image of the particular person. Okay, so you get a 3D image of the particular person. So this technology is still in process. So this is about the 6G networks. And then talking about the cognitive radios, they are the dynamic spectrum access. So cognitive radios, use a technology called as reinforcement learning to find free spectrum and use it temporarily. they will find a free spectrum and they can use it temporarily. So for that, this is being used. So, and what is the impact is like with AI, you can actually improve the speed, efficiency, and reliability in modern wireless network. Okay. These are the two important topics which we have seen. So can we recall? Anyone from here tell me at least 2 points from these two things? Anyone can try? You can try anything you can tell, no problem. Just try for it.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay.
Ma'am, I have came to know about signal processing, which is speech recognition. It is used in mobile phones like Siri, and
Yeah.
image processing, which converts a blur image to a normal image, like noise
Nice.
detection,
Okay.
and it is used in CCTV cameras.
Yes, very good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
ma'am.
you so much for your response. Very good. Okay. So try to tell any other people can tell from wireless and mobile communication. Just by seeing also you can tell, like, no problem. I just want you people to talk. Just be involved in it. Because as an engineering student, you have to speak more. Any other? Dynamic spectrum allocation. Okay. Good, Ishrit. Any other people can try for it. Just by seeing also you can tell. Like, I want anyone to speak out. No one? Okay, then we will see about other important topics like AI in VLSI design and embedded system. So how AI influenced in design and embedded system. We're going to see that, okay? So the first important thing when it comes to VLSI design is nothing but chip. The chip design. In everything you have a chip, right? So AI is revolutionary chip design, enhancing the automation and adaptability. So for example, the fault detection. It detects the faults during production and operation, improving the quality and reliability. So the chip, when it is manufactured, that can also have the fault in it, right? For fault detection, this AI has been used. And low power design. So which is nothing but it will improve the battery life. That is called as this low power design. It use only needed power. So that is the use of this low power design. Okay. Then AI accelerators. What is this AI accelerators is nothing but it uses a technology which is called as TPU, which is tensor processing unit. So this tensor processing unit are used in face recognition. You can imagine this face recognition in every companies. When you go inside it, you have this face recognition, right? So in that, this TPU, that is nothing but the tensor processing unit, has been used. Okay. And it is an advanced version where you can get faster signals. Okay. Then about that's all about this VLSI design and embedded system. So it's all about the chip manufacturing industry. And the first point is fault detection, then low power design, then the AI accelerators. Just get used to these words, okay? Then this is quite easy one, like AI in IoT and smart devices. So it is nothing but the everyday usage, like in our homes we are using, right? The Internet of Things. IoT is nothing but the Internet of Things, right? So the first application is like the smart appliances, like in fridge. Do you know, like the fridge can also have this AI powered fridge, like it can suggest the recipes and all those things. And the washing machines, if you take the maintenance alerts, all these can be done using AI powered washing machine. Okay, then talking about the climate control. So climate control, the thermostat has been used to know the temperature, to control, to adjust the room temperature based on the time and outside weather. So for that reason, this time control is also been used. Okay. And about the centralized control is nothing but all the smart devices are connected to a single hub. Okay, that is called as the centralized control. And remote access. So remote access is nothing but you can able to access everything, even the TV you can able to access with your mobile phone, right? So like that you can able to access everything. And there are technologies where when you entered into your home with your habits, like for example, you're waking up at 7 a.m. and you're making coffee at 8 a.m. in the sense the AI actually uh, collects data with your habits, and it actually gives an the next day when you wake up at 8 o'clock, it will tell you to make coffee. So like that, the technology is been in process. So that's how the AI has been influencing in the IoT and smart devices. Okay. These two topics, any doubt in it? Is it clear? Anyone want to tell anything? Just tell me at least 3 words from these two topics. Why I'm asking is like, I just want to know, like, do people understand or not? That's my only concern. Even you can see and tell. No one? Then about the AI in the communication networks, how it has been influencing the communication networks. So AI optimizes the wireless communication. So AI, what it does is like it will boost your 4G and the 5G network. It smartly adjusts your bandwidth, power, and the channel qualities for better call and faster net, even during traffic peaks. And then, as I've said in prior, the beam forming. So it is nothing but AI will direct the antenna beams exactly where the user is. So that is called as beam forming. And MIMO is nothing but it is multiple input, multiple output. So multiple antennas will send and receive the signals parallelly. So that is called as this MIMO. Note these keywords, which is important. And then it has been used in several other techniques. It enables the innovative spectrum through cognitive radio, power, self-organizing networks, boost the security. So self-organizing networks, what does it mean is nothing but AI help tower adjust itself, like the auto repair and rerouting and the performance tuning without the human help. So AI is all about without human interference, how it's been working. We're going to see that, right? So this is how it's been useful. And AI boost the security is nothing but if the AI is finding any network as a phishing network, AI detects the strange network behavior, like the hacker or virus, and stop it in real time. That is about the security. Like AI boosts the security. In the given words, you can actually know the things, and then these are all with regards to the AI in communication networks. So the keywords which you need to remember is nothing but the beamforming and MIMO, and then how it is influencing in a security basis and self-organizing, okay? Self-organizing networks. Then, do you guys know about this Chitti robot, like where it has been used? So in Hindiran movie, you can able to see this, right? So what it actually does. So AI in here, what happens is like AI is a brain which makes the robot decide what to do, when, and how. So it's like it will think before it acts. That's AI. It works. And do you guys think AI have ears and eyes for it? It will not have ears and eyes. It will just have the sensors. It can able to sense. If you give any inputs like anything, it will sense and it will give the answers. Okay. For example, like Chitti knows like who's behind him without turning. So these are all controlled by the AI. So these are the things. So it enables the decision making and control. It actually have the sensors and AI to understand the environment. It learns the task and improves over time. It is a mission, so it will not know everything. It learns and it will actually improve over the time. And then it plan and it will interact with the humans as well. The applications, very important, is like you need to know about the applications, like where it has been used. It has been used in industrial robots, the service boats, the healthcare, and the autonomous vehicles and exploration. In all these fields, the AI has been used. And you guys know, like AI has been used in all the sectors, like even in when even in fire cases, what happens is like without human interference, this AI can go and it can actually turn off all the fires. So many applications are still in process. There's so much of technology which has been developed. The chat GPT which we are using, everything is actually under the control of this AI. So these are the things which happens in electronics and communication. So the important topics, I'm just recalling it once again for you people. So the first important thing is how the AI influenced in signal processing and wireless and mobile communication. In signal processing, as I've said, you know the keywords, that's enough. And wireless communication. And then about in VLSI design, about the fault detection and the low power design and all those things. And IoT and smart devices, as we have said, the AI powered fridge and climate control, remote access, all these have been there. And communication networks, it's like the security purposes has been used, and self-organizing networks. And yeah, these are all, you just need to know it. And then the job opportunities in electronics, you have some I guess like many people kindly know these things because many people are going to IT sector, like you do have so much of opportunities in electronics and communication as well. So you do have a period of around 4 years in your hands. Just utilize those 4 years very properly, because while we are studying, like we don't have that much knowledge about these things. So even after completing engineering, we decided what to do and what not to do. Just don't do those. This is just a free advice. You people can use it. It's up to you. So don't make those mistakes. Like you have 4 solid years. Just think about it and start working, and do things which you like to do. It can be anything, not just electronics engineering you have to do it. It can be anything with your own interest, you have to do it. It can be teaching, it can be even if you're interested in sports, even if you're interested in business and entrepreneurs, anything. But just try from just now onwards, because the world is rushing. You have so much of competitions around you. So use those 4 years wisely, and have a very seniors, talk with them, know things what is happening and what they're doing. Just have the connections with them. Okay. And join in so much of competitions are being conducted even in our college or outside. Try to participate in all those things, because only when you participate, you will know things. You will know how others are there, how what others are doing, and what you need to do. So just be do these things. And then my biggest advice for you is, like, do what you like to do. Just figure it out, what you wanted to do in your life. Just figure it out from now onwards. And I felt like at the end of the 4th year, you will go to the place where you wanted to go. Okay. So just be sure in that. And you have so much of opportunities. Just look into this PPT. Even I'll share this PPT where I mentioned about all the roles in AI in electronics engineering field in India. What are the skills needed and what are the companies there? So much, even with the technologies in YouTube and Instagram, you can use it to know these things as well. So use those applications very wisely and properly. So these are the career opportunities you have. So just have a look into it and see in what field you are interested in it. Okay. So these are some basics. You need to understand how you can get started. Okay. And then I want to tell about another important thing. There is a website called as Overleaf. You can use it for your presentations and report making. For these things, you can use your Overleaf website, because it is a professional website where every professional person will use that website to create a presentation. I guess by second year and third year, like you will be prepared, you will be having so many projects. So use those website and have a efficient work within it. And yeah, the future is yours. Final thoughts, like AI plus electronics will drive the future tech, from smart cities to space exploration. You're entering this world at the perfect time. Don't just be yours of technologies, be the creators. Okay. So just try to think out of the box, what you can actually contribute to the society as well as to this technology. Okay. I felt the youngsters have so much of talent within them. So just try to be the creators of the technology. Okay. That's all from my side. If you have any questions, you can ask. Can anyone willing to summarize everything? Just one line from each one is enough. I'll show the PPT. Anyone is willing to summarize? Thank you, Yohit. This is the first time. I don't know how I did. Thank you, Karthikeyan.
Students, if you have any questions, you can ask.
Thank you, Richard. Anyone, if they're summarizing, I'll give something for them. Just anyone summarize. I'll show the PPT. Let's just summarize the things. Okay, fine, no problem. But try to speak. If choose a, so you choose an engineering, so try to speak in every forum wherever you're going. Enhance your skills and get placed where you wanted to be in. So last one, do what you love to do. Okay. So whatever field it can be. Okay. All the best for all of you guys. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Pavitra.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you for your wonderful session. I would like to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude on behalf of SA Engineering College Management, Principal, Advisor, HOD, Dr. B.R. Tapas Babu, HOD of Electronics and Communication Engineering, and Dr. R. Radhika, Electronics Engineering, VLSI Design and Technology. I extend a sincere thanks to our guest speaker and participants who are that is same but is who are participated in this tech series 5.12 AI and electronics. Now I would also like to thank our ECE and VLSI Design and Technology faculty members to make this event as successful. Now it is time to take up quiz. Students, you can scan this QR code and you can attend this quiz program. 10 question is that with multiple choices. You just scan this QR code and you can submit your answers. The code, you can use the code 52519127 by using this code in Mentimeter. Students are asked to take up this quiz. That is simple question related this AI and electronics. Okay, students. Now feedback link is posted in chat box. You can leave your valuable suggestion and comments on this wonderful session. After filling this feedback form, you can get certificate. You just scan that QR code, ma. Ritika Sting, you just scan that QR code. Then you can use any one of your browser and attend this quiz. Any others? Ritika Sri, if you are using your mobile phone, then use Google Lens, and then just scan that QR code. One form is available. You just click that form. You can join in that quiz. Use Google Lens in your mobile phone to scan this QR code for attending that quiz. Now, are you able to open? Students, in chat box, feedback link is available. By using that link, you can leave your valuable suggestion and comments on this program. Once you submitting your feedback form, your circuit will be downloaded. As we come to the end of today's insightable session, I thank everyone, our management, HOD, staff members of VC and VLSI Design Technology. A special thanks to our alumni K. Praveen and Sheikh Radman for accepting to conduct online quiz program during their busy schedule. Once again, I thank Ms. N. Pavitra for sharing her valuable insights and experience with us today. Okay, here this is Admission related doubts, you can contact us, SA Engineering College, Chennai 77, and mobile number, mail, website is available. Once again, I thank you everyone.